Hello, my name is Laurence Sampson, the president of Solution US. We're a firm dedicated to implementing innovative design business processes with scalable enterprise applications. Is your company struggling with how to design and develop products right the first time? Are you good at designing, experts in, say, femto lasers or nuclear generators, but struggle with design process? Well, how can you tell that you have a problem with design process? I'll give you a few examples. Maybe visibility of logical relationships. For example, what component was tested to assure a requirement is met, or where the test results are related to that product function. This should be driven as objects in a database rather than narrative in a document. Frankly, as often as not, designers give up on finding critical information rather than pour through the endless documents in search of contents that might not even exist. Another example is critical characteristics of the design that are identified with arbitrary designer criteria rather than requirements and product risk. Or maybe it's impossible to formally determine how system functions are deployed across multiple components of the system. Sometimes requirements are generated from document narrative rather than directly from function structure. Solution is expert in process and deployment of scalable software solutions. We're a trusted Siemens software partner, and we're here to help. Not only have we developed business processes and solutions for many firms using one of a variety of applications tailored for your need, but we can also provide product development professionals to help a proof of concept project to prove a scalable return on investment before your staff has the training necessary to deploy the entire enterprise system. What are some examples of projects we've done? We have one project where we are developing an artificial intelligence-driven process for import of unstructured document data. It's a huge productivity improvement. Another is implementation of Polarian for a requirements management system with reuse libraries and traceability to external standards. We've seen up to 96% reuse of these assets in subsequent designs. Another example is systems function in a modeling project or an MBSE model used to provide context needed to fully define product function. Are you reviewing requirements or functional chains and their relationship to multidisciplinary components of the design? If not, systems modeling is definitely in your future. So if you have an interest in deploying requirements, product risk management, model-based systems engineering, product configuration management, or any business process related to your design lifecycle, please consider Solution as your preferred partner. With locations in both the US and Europe, we can support your multinational success. Let us help build your product development future. Thanks, and we're looking forward to working with you.